Now slowly get into your positions. Slowly fold your both the legs, put them together and straight your spinal cord and slowly put your head straight. Boite abuak jangga ko boho dia ona ko bun sujia and gradually we close our eyes. After closing the eyes, now slowly inhale and hold the breath in your chest. Boi te तबे उना साहेन आदेर में आर अमा खुराम रे साब दोहो काम. So slowly breathe in and breathe out. Your eyes should be closed. Breathe in, breathe out. अमा में दो जपित काम आर साहेन आदेर में आर हो साहेन उडुक में आर उनका ते बई ते आमा आडे पसरे तीना साड़ी आजमोक कान उनाकू आतेन में. Slowly count the sound around your place. How many sound you can recognize and count them. How many sounds you are able to hear. Close by, little far away, and still far away, farther. So slowly breathe in and breathe out and keep your eyes closed. At the same time, go on counting how many sounds you can hear. Ama adi pasere tina sadi amem anjom nyamida una am likhai me. तबे नवा साहेद आदेर में आर हो साहेद उडुक में आर में दो जपित काम आर उनका थे बोले साहेद आदेर आर हो साहेद उडुक आर लिखाई में आमा आडे पासरे तीन साड़ी आमें आंजोम न्यामिदा. And then slowly try to see in your life what is your aim. In your life, what is your aim? So as you breathe in and breathe out, you search what is your purpose of life. What do you want to become? What is your purpose? तबे नवा साहेद ते साहेद आदेर आर साहेद उडुक आमा जिंगिरिना आज दो चेत कना. आम हुदिस में गांडोनोक में नवा साहेद ते साहेद उडुक आर साहेद आदेर आम दो जिंगिरे उकालकान होड़ बिनाव ए मेन जोंग कना. आमा जिंगिरिना आज दो चेत कना उना आम नेल ठीक में. What is your dream? What is your dream as you grow up? Who is your model? What is the path you want to take? All this you search as you go on, breathe in and breathe out. What is your aim in your life? तबे नवा साहेद ते साहेद उडुक आर उनका ते मा नेल में आम दो जिंगिरे आमा आज दो चेक कना. तबे आमा आज दो नापाय हड़ेम हुयु भागी हड़ेम हुयु आर उना लकाते नुआ आम अटकार में नापाय हड़ेम हुयुआ भागी हड़ेम हुयुआ. So the purpose of your life is to become a good person, to become a good human being. So the primary goal in your life is to become a good person, a good human being in the family, in the society and in the country. तबे मा नुआ साहेद ते साहेद उडुक आर हो साहेद आदेर आर हुदिस में ᱟᱢ ᱫᱚ ᱵᱚᱞᱮ ᱱᱟᱯᱟᱭ ᱦᱚᱲᱮᱢ ᱦᱩᱭᱩᱜᱼᱟ, ᱵᱷᱟᱹᱜᱤ ᱦᱚᱲᱮᱢ ᱦᱩᱭᱩᱜᱼᱟ ᱜᱷᱟᱨᱚᱸᱡᱽ ᱨᱮ ᱟᱨ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱥᱚᱢᱟᱡᱽ ᱨᱮ, ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱫᱤᱥᱚᱢ ᱨᱮ ᱟᱨ ᱥᱟᱱᱟᱢ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱴᱷᱮᱡ᱾ ᱛᱚᱵᱮ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱢᱟᱜ ᱡᱤᱸᱜᱤ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱟᱸᱥ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ. So the purpose of my life is to become a good human being. Purpose of my life is to become a good human being. আর ওনা ইয়েতে breathe in and breathe out and make sure that this is your purpose to become a good human being. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Whatever may be your job, whatever may be your career, you as a teacher, you as a doctor, you as a professor, you as a worker in the office or hospital, wherever you are, your aim and purpose of life is to become a good human being, either man or woman, boy or a girl. So whatever you do, whatever your work you do, as you breathe in and breathe out, your purpose of life is to become a good human being. तबे नवा साहेद आदेर में आर हो साहेद उडुक में आम जहाटा गिम कमी चाहे आम दो स्कूल रे चेचेदी से आम दो कॉलेज रे चेचेदी से आम दो डॉक्टर कना से आम दो इंजीनियर कना से बैंक रेम कमी दा नवा सनाम कमी को मुचाद रे आम दो जेमन नापाय हॉडेम हुयु साफा हॉडेम हुयु आर ओनाते आम दो कोड़ा कना सेम कुड़ी कना बाबा हॉड कना सेम आयु हॉड कना मेनखान आमा जिंगी रेना आस दो आम दो जेमन नापाय हॉडेम हुयु. The purpose of our life is that wherever you go, you carry the identity. The identity, you are a good human being. You are a good person. So whatever job you do, as you breathe in and breathe out, the purpose of your life is to become a good human being. In your family, in the society, in the country, wherever or whomever you meet, ona iyete am jahan regim chala, jahay gim nyele, jahay sange gim nyapam, jahay sange gim rod, amag jingi rena as do ᱤᱧ ᱫᱚ ᱱᱟᱯᱟᱭ ᱦᱚᱲᱤᱧ ᱦᱩᱭᱩᱜᱼᱟ, ᱤᱧ ᱫᱚ ᱱᱟᱯᱟᱭᱤᱧ ᱨᱚᱲᱟ ᱟᱨ ᱚᱱᱠᱟᱛᱮ ᱤᱧᱟᱹᱜ ᱥᱟᱹᱜᱟᱹᱭ ᱥᱟᱱᱟᱢ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱠᱚ ᱥᱚᱸᱜᱮ ᱡᱮᱢᱚᱱ ᱱᱟᱯᱟᱭ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱱ. ᱟᱫᱚ ᱚᱱᱟ ᱤᱭᱟᱹᱛᱮ ᱱᱚᱜᱼᱚᱭ ᱥᱟᱦᱮᱫ ᱟᱫᱮᱨ ᱢᱮ ᱟᱨᱦᱚᱸ ᱥᱟᱦᱮᱫ ᱩᱰᱩᱠ ᱢᱮ ᱟᱨ ᱱᱚᱝᱠᱟᱛᱮ ᱢᱟ ᱫᱤᱥᱟᱹᱭ ᱢᱮ ᱡᱮ ᱟᱢ ᱫᱚ ᱱᱟᱯᱟᱭ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱡᱮᱢᱚᱱ ᱦᱩᱭᱩᱜ. So whatever work we do, wherever we go, our purpose is only one, to become a good human being. And that's why with our parents, with our brothers and sisters, with our friends and relatives, my sole purpose of aim is to become a good human being, to become a good person in my talk, in my behavior, in my attitude, in my commitment, and whatever service I do. So as you breathe in and breathe out, check out and be strong to become a good human being. Onate jahan regim chala, go baba sange em rod, buiha misra ko sange em rod, se amre tinak peda gutiya menak kwa sanam ko sange ama kami ama rod landa tobe dise doho kam noa sahet te sahet ader me ar sahet uduk me ar dise dohoy me inyak jingi rena आस दो जेमन नापाय हॉडिñ हुयु मौज हॉडिñ हुयु. आदो ओना इयते आर हो साहेद ते साहेद आदेर आर हो साहेद उडुक आर नोआ गे दिसे दोहोय that whatever work I do, whomever I meet, my sole purpose, my sole aim in the life is to become a holy person, to become a good person. And in this way, your parents, your brothers and sisters and your relatives, you have a beautiful family, You have a wonderful family. You have a good friends. You have a good relatives. Why? Just because your purpose of life is to become a good human being, to become a good person. Ado ona iyate sahet te sahet ader arho sahet uduk ar nungkate boi te noa atkar me. So as we end this meditation, slowly and gradually come back and be aware of your breathing, be aware of inhaling and exhaling, and slowly remember the purpose of your life. Slowly remember this meditation is a powerful method. This meditation is a tool to understand oneself. It is a tool to achieve your goal. It is a tool to make a journey towards God.